Brian with SoCo Customs. Today we've got another 2024 that we did for Alpine Buick GMC. This time the customer had bought the truck and then just wanted to wrap in the retrofitting into the deal. So if you're looking for a truck that you have aspirations of retrofitting, make sure to hit them up and SoCo Customs will be the one to help you out. This is another 2024 GMC 2500 with the Duramax. It is the Pro. We sent it up on the 3-inch Cognito kit. This is going to be the standard ball joint upper control arms. This is probably one of the best riding leveling kits that you can get for this platform. Now we went chrome with the wheels. They are the Gear Off-Road Primacy, the 768. They're gonna be a 20x10 with a -19 offset. And then the tires are going to be the 295/60 R20 Falcons. They're gonna be the AT4Ws. This is a great winter tire, so if you are here in Colorado or a colder climate, go ahead and pick those up. They are definitely awesome. They're also a 365-day-a-year tire. And then we finish this build off with the rough country side steps. All right, guys, that's the build. Brian, SoCo Customs. If you want a SoCo build of your very own, you can come directly to us. You can reach out to Alpine if you are looking to buy a truck that you want to retrofit. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we'll see you in the next video.